a leading Asia-Pacific operator, has been innovating in cement production. The new plant faced challenges: carryback issues, frequent downtime, product wastage, and excessive spillage. The existing H-Type Tungsten belt cleaner struggled with uneven pressure, causing inefficiencies and increased maintenance costs. Manual shoveling and vacuuming was required to clear the accumulating fine material spillage anthill piles to avoid any potential tripping and safety hazards. The solution? K-Smartscraper Primary Belt Cleaner. Happy with the K-Smartscraper installed from the original plant, this time Kinder's team installed K-Smartscraper in a paired set at one pulley at the new site to maximise belt cleaning performance. Its compact design and enhanced surface contact effectively reduced carryback, improving belt tracking and roller life. The K-Smartscraper exceeded expectations, reducing spillage and boosting productivity. Operating 24/7, it required minimal maintenance. K-Smartscraper ceramic chips will only require replacement after 14 months of continuous operation. The K-Smartscraper's performance has been outstanding, said the plant manager, planning further installations to tackle carryback issues. Contact Kinder to discuss your specific belt cleaning challenges.